All right, Mr. Beard YouTube guy. I hear all the products you're out there selling and the routines you're saying that's working. Let's say I try your stuff and do it the way you say. How long until I notice results? Now, I do understand, right? A little bit silly, but this is an approach and a thought process that a lot of people have, especially today in the age of instant gratification. People just want to know what they're getting into. I don't even mean that in a negative way. They're like, hey, dude, do I need to wait like 30 days? Is it like a 3-month thing? When can I expect to see results? Because if they need to buy beard products or beard tools, or if they want to learn a routine, they're like, how should I know this is actually working and I'm not wasting time and money? And I'm happy to give you guys an answer. But first, real quick, if I may, did you hit the thumbs up? I don't ask for much, but it's absolutely free. And then are you subscribed? We are on the road to 100,000 subscribers. Massive goal of mine. It's free as well and does help me out. So please consider those things. Shout out to those returning subscribers. By the way, my name's Dan. What up? Okay, let's get to it. How long until you notice the results of using quality beard products, tools, and routine? We do need to dial in what we're talking about. I'm going to talk about first specifically things like the way your beard feels and the way your beard looks. And then we'll lightly tackle beard growth. But we'll start with the first ones. Whether you're coming from using nothing, no products on your beard other than like the shampoo that your wife has in the shower or whatever's just around the house, or if you're coming from bad, low quality products or a routine that just isn't working or that just isn't right, the turnaround results should actually be very similar and they're dang near immediate. If you go from using no beard products and you introduce a good quality gentle daily beard wash and a good quality beard oil paired with a routine and knowing how to use them, you should notice immediately. This is not something where it's like, oh, your skin has to get used to it and your beard needs to adjust. Your beard will notice the impact immediately in a positive way. Now, that does come with the variable of a learning curve, right? That does come with the variable of you needing to know how much oil to use. Should you use a thin viscosity or a thick viscosity? Should you use heat in your routine? What is the right comb or brush? Those are loaded questions. I have a lot of videos along the way to be able to help you find those answers. Or if you want to reach out to me directly, I take great pride in getting back to everyone absolutely for free. And I love listening to your personal variables and then making recommendations based on that. But if you do those things in the right way, you're going to notice a vast improvement. And it actually makes my job very simple because I don't have to sit up here and be like, you need to wait 30 days and then come back. No. You'll notice tomorrow if you do this right. Again, with that said, you're probably going to make adjustments. I'm still adjusting my styling. I'm still adjusting the amount of oil I use. Now, part of that is seasonal, right? Part of that is changes within myself personally, my health, my surroundings, all of that matters. But you should not be told you need to wait to experience the difference of good quality beard products. Now, if we flip it and we talk about beard growth or the way your beard fills in, that is a much longer journey, zoomed out a lot. There is nothing that is going to make your beard grow like that the next day. Now, are there growth oils and supplements and stuff that can help and make a difference if you do it the right way and you're patient and committed? Yes, absolutely those can. But it's not instant. It's not something you're going to notice tomorrow. So I want to make sure I put that down directly. And I didn't want to make this too long. I just wanted that people are searching for answers and they want an expectation. That's the reality. Down below, did this mimic your experience? When did you come from using no products or bad products? How did you feel? How long did it take? What was your learning like in this process? I feel like we can have some really good stories to share here and relate to them. Beyond that, what questions do you have? What observations do you have? It is open in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I love this stuff. My name's Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.